Montgomery County taking a moment to reflect and look ahead. I'm Jenna Lee Borick outside the administration building where leaders are sharing the outcome of a 5-year strategic plan to improve county services. The director of Montgomery County's Office for Strategic Initiatives, Haley Coretta, walking the county's commissioners through some of the highlights and work that's been done over the past 5 years. Coretta started by listing what areas were prioritized by the county 5 years ago. With the plan starting in 2020, the county quickly realized it'd have to be flexible because of the COVID-19 pandemic.
How do we take opportunities but also adjust to what the community's needs are at that time? Another good example would have been food insecurity. You'll see that in our data reflected of when those times were harder for truly our community.
Another major issue in community well-being is combating drug overdose deaths, especially after the height of the opioid epidemic. That's been improving as county leaders continue to support the Community Overdose Action Team.
How do we work collectively? How do we understand what resources are available? And then how do we work together to identify gaps and create new resources as needed?
There's a lot of areas covered in the report and tons of data, so I asked Coretta what she feels the county was most successful at over the years. She says workforce programs have been huge, with over 80% of the people in the programs remaining employed after a year. Equally important, the county's re-entry program for people who have been incarcerated. Coretta says 90% of graduates don't return to prison. Work on a new, shorter strategic plan will start shortly. It will cover 3 years, and Coretta told me what some of the focus will be.
How do we focus on things we can directly impact and control? That'll be a big piece of what you'll see from us. And then also, how do we get out in the community more?
Scan the QR code on your screen where you'll find the link to the full strategic report in the web version of this story.